Hey everyone, this is Reggie from Result Plus Physical Therapy, and welcome to another tip of the day. Today, I want to share with you what is the best sleeping position when you just had a knee replacement, right? I hear this, I get this question a lot from patients because you had the surgery, you're very uncomfortable, and the knee that's swollen, you have to ice it. Some people have compression machines, some people have that CPM machine. So we have so many things, right? And that knee is swollen, it's stiff, it's painful, they're not comfortable. So they ask me, how can I sleep? Because sleep is very important. It's during sleep when you actually heal the most. So now, I have an answer for that question. The thing is, I want to make sure that like you understand, the best sleeping position does not necessarily mean it's the most comfortable sleeping position. Okay, and let me explain that in more detail. Now, people ask me what's the best sleeping position. For me, what I take into consideration there is what is the position of the knee that will be the best long term in terms of healing and recovery and less problems down the line. Okay, because when you keep your knee bent, that's the most comfortable position, right? If you had knee replacement, knee surgeries, you know what I mean. Keeping that knee bent is a lot more comfortable than keeping it straight. So what happens is a lot of times patients sleep with that knee bent. This is not what I would recommend. For me, the best sleeping position is keeping the leg straight. And why is because when you keep the leg straight, you decrease or minimize the chance of getting extension lag or flexion contracture, which later on can be a problem if it doesn't get resolved. Okay, keeping your knee straight will enable you to stand straight, to walk evenly. Okay, it's not going to be the most comfortable sleeping position because it hurts, because when the bones come together, as I explained in a previous video, when the bones come together, there's less space, there's more pressure, and the inflammation there and swelling, it's going to cause more pain. But that's the best sleeping position because then later on you'll have less problems. So let me show you, just put down. So let's say if I'm in this bed and I lie down. So a lot of times people either they sleep like this, or they put the pillow, under the towel roll or pillow under the knee, or they actually sleep in this like this, right? Or they would sleep like this if they're sleeping on their back. Now, if they're side sleeper, it's even worse. I notice a lot of patients, a lot of people are side sleeper. They sleep like this. Naturally, when we're sleeping on our side, we go in a fetal position. Then your knees are bent also, all right? A lot of times they don't want the surgically repaired knee to be at the bottom. Usually the one on top, you can put a pillow in between so that it doesn't have that pressure, but still you're in a bent position. What I would recommend is, if you're gonna be sleeping as straight as possible. So that way the knee will be straight and it will heal in that position as well. And later on, it's gonna be less problem for you when your knee is always straight and you regain your flexion. It's gonna be less problem for you. All right? So that's kind of the short answer there, short direct answer to that question. What is the best sleeping position? I hope you understand the difference in terms of when I mentioned, is it the best or is it the most comfortable? They don't go in, unfortunately in this situation, they don't go hand in hand. All right? So let me know, try this. If you had the knee surgery, knee replacement, try this, or share this video with others who you know who've had that knee replacement, and let them know what I explained. So when they watch this, they'll understand. Let me know how they feel. Let me know how you feel. I want you to try this. I would love to hear your feedback. If you have any questions, definitely reach out. Anybody who had that knee replacement, share this with them so you can help transform their lives, so you can help them in terms of in the recovery, make it better and make it easier for them to recover from that surgery. And let me know if you have any other questions that I can answer for you so I can help your recovery be faster and be easier, because I know it's not an easy recovery. All right. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for watching this video. Remember, I need you to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. And I would love to see your comments below, or you can DM us or you can email us. All right. I'll see you in the next video.